Hi, I'm Travis McGhee, Chief Commercial Officer with Nadex. Now, some of you have come across me on the various social media channels during our daily market updates, and others of you, this is your first interaction with the exchange. So for you newbies, welcome. For those who have engaged with us before, welcome back once again. Now, over the course of the next couple weeks, I'm going to be pumping out some educational content that we're going to be throwing up in a virtual free format that you can use to digest and what you can use to make yourself a better trader. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, why are we listening to you? Why are we listening to Nadex? Well, what I can tell you is there's a lot of free information out there, but there's also a lot of people out there trying to sell you a bill of goods, and that, you know, with a little bit of money, they can sell you this silver bullet or this golden ticket that's going to make you a trader and it's going to make you millions. Well, what I can tell you through my experience, spending the early part of my career in the military and then spending the last 15 plus years as both a professional trader, trading options and futures, as well as helping retail investors learn how to trade financial markets. I can tell you that this is a craft that requires a lot of work. It's a craft that requires constant honing of your skill, and it's something that you can't take lightly. It's something that you got to put the time and the effort into day in and day out if you truly want to be successful. Now, what I'm going to do is give you the content. I'm going to give you some of the skills. I'm going to give you some of the learnings that I've taken over the course of my career that can help you get there. What I'm hoping each and every one of you are going to do, you're going to go that extra mile. You're going to take that little bit of extra time every single day to do your homework, to work on building that plan. What is it that you want to get to? What is it that you aspire towards? Take that time to make sure that you're coming into these markets. Make sure that you're coming into Nadex and you're trading our markets with an objective, with a mission, something that you want to tackle. For myself, and what you're going to hear out of me over the course of these videos and however many of these videos you do digest, is discipline. Discipline is a massive factor within my life. It's been a massive factor over the course of my career, and it should certainly play a massive role in your life. You have to approach these markets, you have to approach trading with an element of discipline. Secondly, you've got to approach these markets with a plan. Like I said, you've got to have a mission. You have to have something that you're working towards. It's hard to remain disciplined if you don't know what the plan is. So you've got to have a defined plan in what it is that you're looking to do. And finally, it's just to have fun. We're here to have fun. If you're not having fun at what it is that you're doing, you're probably not going to do it very long. So I want to help you get there. I want to help you with the discipline aspect. I want to help you with the building a plan aspect. And once all of that comes together, hopefully you're having a little bit more fun. So we're excited to have you here at Nadex. I'm excited to have you in some of this educational content that we're going to be rolling out. And more importantly, certainly for you newbies and even for you veterans out there, I'm excited to be your trading partner as we engage in this journey. I can remember one of the big components in the military is we always had what was called a battle buddy, somebody that we were partnered up with. And even in my professional trading career, we always had mentors that we were working with. So I hope I can be that for you. And if it's not me, it's one of the folks that we have here at the exchange that are ready and willing and able to help. So welcome aboard. We look forward to having you, and it's time to get after it. Let's go.